Yo, what's good? It's your boy Victor and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm bringing you my favorite green smoothie recipes. The recipe includes kale, spinach, cucumbers, lemon, apple cider vinegar, and I'm throwing in a special ingredient at the end of this video that I add to my personal smoothies. This is great for getting metabolism boosted, energy levels up, while also detoxifying the body. The kale and the spinach combo of fiber and antioxidants is really good because fiber can get the body regulated, and antioxidants can help your body deal with the stress hormones released from everyday life that could be storing fat in your body that you don't want. All right, first thing first, we're gonna add the 1 cup of ice into the blender. Then we're looking at 1 cup of kale, about 1.5 cups for me, I like mine kind of thick. A cup of spinach, about a 1/4 slice of cucumber, 1 full squeeze of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar, and blend that up. Now we got everything in the blender. We start blending. Mine's kind of thick. This is enough for 2 servings. Luckily I have the Vitamix, which is pretty strong getting stuff done. So let's knock it out.
One hour later.
Alright, it's all done. So it's gonna see how it comes out. I like mine a little thick. You like it a little bit more runny, just add some water to it, or even less ice, whatever you prefer. That's that right there. Top it off with a little cucumber decor. That's hideous. Get rid of that. And like I told you, I have a special ingredient I add to mine personally. Special ingredient is cayenne pepper. If you're not a spicy person, don't add this, but this is a really good way to get that metabolism. If you're not a spicy person, don't add this, but this is a great way to get that metabolism jumping instantly. Plus, I like the way it tastes. Not too much. A couple sprinkles up top. It's pretty in the photo and tastes good going down. That's good. Thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, make sure to leave a comment and let me know what kind of ingredients or recipes you want to see next. Be sure to follow, like, so I know this is what you're looking for. I keep more content coming your way.